The focus of the new Naish foil range is lighter, stronger, faster, and modular. The Jet Foil range is our all-around surf foil design. This is an evolution of the original Naish surf foil that we introduced in 2016. It's a modified Delta planform. It's got a little bit of sweep. It's got downturn wingtips, which give a really nice grip on turns and a really good surfy feel. We use a very high lift section with a rounded leading edge, which means it flies well at a wide range of speeds. It pumps well. It's just a really nice all-around for people that are really looking for something that surfs well and for wave riding. We offer it in 5 sizes: 1050, 1250, 1650, 2000, and 2450 square centimeters. The bigger sizes are a little bit higher aspect ratio and are optimized for bigger guys, so we've even pushed them to get even a little more lift for their size. They're all just really great all-around wings, and this is, here in Hawaii for surfing, this is the go-to wing set. The same things that make this a great surfing wing, which are its responsiveness to rider input for turning, just the way it lifts smoothly and yet trims out easily, also make it really suitable for people just coming up and learning foiling from an intermediate to a top level. So while it's just really a surfing wing, it's also our best, most all-around wing. The Jet Foils come with their own dedicated stabilizer. The small 2 sizes come with the 320, the big sizes come with this 450. This is a design with a little bit of anhedral, which gives it a really surfboard-like response and feel, and yet still has the upturned wingtips for directional stability and to just give a little more bite in a really hard banking turn. Comparing wings like this to our new high aspect series, the biggest difference is really going to be that this responds more to rider input. It'll turn more smoothly, it has more grip, you have more directional control, but the higher aspect wings will pump better, they'll lift a little bit earlier, and in the end will be faster. So that's a decision that each rider has to make, like what is the focus of your riding and what are you really looking to do on your wing. From an engineering standpoint, we basically looked at every single component in our modular system and have re-engineered it, sometimes in small ways, sometimes in big ways, to make the biggest improvements possible in terms of weight savings without any compromise to strength, simultaneously improving performance, which means, in the wings, reducing drag, increasing lift, on all the other components, basically reducing drag. The first thing I'd like to talk about is the new foil mast. This is a new lightweight extrusion. It's a different section. It's a little bit longer cord, which gives it more directional stability. It's incredibly lighter than our current aluminum extrusion, and the reason that's possible is because we have a new bonded end system that means all the structure necessary to connect this mast to both the foil and the fuselage are bonded on at the ends, and we don't have to have any of that included in the extrusion. So the extrusion itself is much, much lighter while still having the same strength. At the bottom, we've gone to a lightweight, quick release mast base. It just had these slots, you loosen it, it's light, it's simple, it's clean, quick and easy. We also offer our new lightweight mast with an abracadabra quick release system as an accessory. If you want the advantages of that system, it's still available, and of course it will integrate with any existing Naish system because of our modular construction. The next component of our modular system that got a lot of attention is the fuselage itself. Here we've thinned down the section. We were able to do this based on 3 years of empirical experience, so we really know now what the load cases are in the real world, and we're able to design for that without carrying around any extra weight. Additionally, it's got aircraft style lightning holes and so on. We've done basically a lot of little detail work. We added an aeronautical engineer to our design team this year, and he had a lot of ideas here, and it's made something that's light, strong, very slippery, a significant improvement, and again, this has helicoils. So that means that these stainless screws actually go into stainless threads that are set into the aluminum. The last component of the system is, of course, the all-important wings. Our wings are made from pre-preg carbon using high-pressure steel molds. This is much better construction than wet layup. It means that the resin to carbon ratios are absolutely perfect. We have unidirectional carbon for structure, and then inside we're using a new cellular foam, which means in the worst case scenario, if the foil is damaged so much that you get all the way down to the foam, it still won't take on water. This foam is also lighter and is contributing to the lighter weight of these new wings. A key part of the Naish system is that all of our components are modular. That means that our new ultra lightweight alloy mast and our new lightweight fuselage are both backwards compatible with every Naish foil product since the introduction of our foil range in 2016. Our modular system also allows a lot of interchangeability between sports. The kite, surf, and wing foiling systems all share the same fuselage length. And in fact, it turns out the jet wings are really great for winging as well. The kite wing is pretty much in its own world, so it's just really extreme high performance dedicated for kiting. But the surf, the jet surf, and the jet high aspect style wings actually work well across a wide range of sports.